Welcome to A is for Art Lessons. Today we're talking about art cars. In Houston, you'll find art cars as part of the Houston culture. People will transform their car into a work of art. Imagine turning your car into something amazing. Every year, Houston will have its very own art car parade. It all started nearly 40 years ago. I want you to think of your very own art car. What is it going to look like? It can be anything. It can be your favorite book character, story, movie, animal, person, place, or thing. For your very own art car, you're going to draw on your art car template what you want it to be. You will then color it however you want. Don't forget to use recycled materials to add on top of your design. In this video, you'll find examples of real-life art cars. You will also find art cars done on paper and some turned into sculptures. Have fun creating your very own art car. See you next time at A is for Art Lessons.